Do you want to win a trip to Spain where this delicious wine was crafted? Just register for our Ribera y Rueda pairing challenge, and you can be selected to receive wines. Then simply taste the wines and create a dish that pairs perfectly with each. Then I'm going to show you what I did with this Martin Sancho from Rueda. And then Master of Wine, Lindsay Pomeroy, is going to tell me how I did.
No pressure, chef.
This dish is layers of mushrooms. First I made a mushroom duxelle, a mushroom cream sauce, chanterelle mushrooms, lobster and cauliflower mushrooms, and a mushroom puree. And then finally finished with some burgundy truffles and sea beans to add a pop of salinity. These three were all great choices. Ultimately, I chose the Martin Sancho because it has a little bubbly and fruity touch of apple. It's crisp and refreshing. I thought it would pair well with the umami of the mushrooms and the cream. It's light but not overpowering. I think I made a great choice.
So I feel like this wine is light on its feet. It's refreshing. It's got lovely orchard fruits, apple fruits, pear fruits, underripe tropical fruits, but fresh and vibrant. And on the palate, it's juicy. It's juicy and mouth-watering. So with a little bit of petulance and a nice, lovely rounded texture. So we're gonna try here with this delightful mushroom dish that I'm very excited to try and see what happens. Awesome. The layers of mushroom, that sort of savory component really marries and matches well with the savory umami and even salt feature of the dish. Not that the dish is salty, but that brings a pop, and that pop really works nicely. So all together, I think it was a very successful pairing, and it's quite lovely, and I'm definitely gonna eat the rest of this.